Monoblock 1000W RMS. Bass boost. 0 dB to 12 dB, bass boost frequency, 30 Hz - 80 Hz. Frequency response, 30 Hz to 180 Hz. Signal-to-noise ratio, greater than 70 dB. Input sensitivity, 0.2 volts to 5 volts. Audiopipe APMN-1300 Monoblock Mini Amplifier with fuse and bass knob. Looking for some serious power for your ride in a small package? This Audiopipe APMN-1300 is a 1000-watt amplifier built on a mini chassis to provide serious power in a tight space. This amp is a monoblock amplifier that is stable at 1 ohm and comes with an inline fuse and bass knob. For the size, quality, and power, this amp is hard to beat. For more information, see specifications below. Features and specifications: 1-channel power, 1000 watts RMS frequency response, 30 Hz to 180 Hz signal-to-noise ratio, greater than 70 dB input sensitivity, 0.2 volts to 5 volts total harmonic distortion, less than 0.15% low-pass filter, 40 Hz to 180 Hz subsonic filter, 0 Hz to 50 Hz bass boost, 0 dB to 12 dB bass boost frequency, 30 Hz to 80 Hz full MOSFET Circuit Design Dimensions, LXDXH, 12x6:3, 8 by 1/7/8. Top reviews from the United States. Runs smooth. And can handle a lot. Was very happy. Great price for great quality. I have this amp running my dual 15 feet subs and it has no problems. I haven't had any overheating issues or anything at all. Definitely recommend this amp.